Chrysler's a ripper. The Chrysler got spun. Shark is gonna, Rick said, see you later. He said, see you later. Dream now. The Crown Vic is a stout unit. Let's see how it holds up. Ready? Ready? Let her out. Oh, backfired on the start. Oh, who's gonna win it? Ready? Ready? Let her rip. Oh, he missed it. Ready? Ready? Let her rip.
I just got it done the other day.
Boxed him out on the wall. Get it, brother. When you see your reflection. Oh! You should have had Rick out. Oh! No! We're trying to duke each other. Oh, Daddy's overpowered. Oh, we got a tire blown. Everybody ready? Everybody ready? One around. Cleetus McFarland tonight. Alright. Thank you guys so much for coming out. Indianapolis Raceway. We had a Lucas Oil Raceway. I'm sorry. We had a great time. We'll see you guys back in Indy next year. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. We'll freak